Remember last round we told you all about that awesome new game Juice 2 Hot Import Nights and how Aussie Bo Yates was featured in the game? Well, not only is Bo featured, but players can challenge the current Australian drift champ on his home turf in Sydney. THQ have included Bo as one of a number of celebrity drivers in the game, and developers are translating Bo's style into the game itself. The virtual Bo races as hard as the real thing. And as you can see from the gameplay, driving through the centre of Sydney has never been so much fun. But Sydney is just one of 3 cities around the world where you can take on Bo the Show Yates in his beloved Hutchie.
THQ and the guys have played the game today and they've done a fantastic job, and I think it's realistic with the way the car behaves, and it's good to see finally a game that, you know, you can go drifting.
Will you race the show for Pink Slips?